I have an advisor in both math and physics because I am the double major, and both of them are extremely helpful for me. My physics professor, I'm actually a year ahead in my physics, so starting next semester I'll be doing independent studies with him, and basically he told me I can do really whatever topics I'm interested in, whatever research I want, and that he would help me through anything. And then for math, my math advisor really helps me with internships and what I want to be doing after college and how I'm going to get there, really. The teachers are really just so hands-on, and they're so about you. And I mean, I know the physics class I'm in right now has 3 students, and the teachers can tell just by the look on your face when you have a question. They genuinely care about how you do and making sure that you're completely on top of things and that you're getting everything out of their lessons that you possibly could.